Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to MySQL using socket and grants on VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to MySQL using socket and grants on a VPS, start by accessing your virtual private server through SSH. Log in using your root or a user account with sufficient privileges. Once logged in, check if MySQL is installed by typing MySQL version. If MySQL is not installed, use your package manager to install it. For Ubuntu or Debian systems, you can run sudo apt update followed by sudo apt install MySQL server. After installation, check the status of the MySQL service to ensure it's running by typing sudo system+status MySQL. If MySQL is not running, start it with sudo system+start MySQL. Next, secure the MySQL installation by running sudo mysql_secure_ installation. Follow the prompts to set a root password, remove anonymous users, and disallow root login remotely. Now, log into MySQL with the command sudo mysql uroot. Enter the password you just set. Once in the MySQL shell, create a new user with the command create user your_username at localhost identified by your_password. Replace your_username and your_password with your desired username and password. After creating the user, grant privileges using the command grant all privileges on to your_username at localhost with grant option. Now, flush the privileges to ensure that MySQL recognizes the changes with flush privileges. To use socket authentication, ensure that your MySQL configuration file contains the socket path. You can typically find this in /etc/mysql/my.cnf or /etc/my.cnf. Look for a line starting with socket equals and make a note of that path. Verify that the socket is accessible by checking that the MySQL process has appropriate permissions for the socket file. Now, exit the MySQL shell by typing exit. Next, test the socket authentication by logging in with your new user account, using the command mysql your_username s/path/ to /mysql.sock. Replace /path/ to /mysql.sock with the actual socket path noted earlier. Enter your password when prompted. If successful, you should see the MySQL shell prompt, indicating you have logged in using socket authentication. Now you are ready to use MySQL on. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.